Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for another Hakka lesson right here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。And today, let's talk about washing your hands because 其實應該要常常洗手才對，對不對？
接洗手，
接洗手啊，接洗手。
沒錯。
跟台語很像啊，就是 you have to wash your hands frequently. You'll be surprised how there's a lot of dirty things that we come in contact with and we don't realize. 其實以前有很多報道啊，比如說尤其是上班族，覺得說啊，我沒有出去外面，我幹嘛洗手呢？對不對？
就唔會歐洲嘿。
可是你要知道啊，人家最近有很多報道啊，就說這個電腦的這種鍵盤啊、滑鼠啊，尤其是在公司裡面大家都會共用的那種電腦的話，
所以有動到嘅細菌。
哦 ，the virus， yeah， 細菌很多，對不對 ？Yeah，
看唔到。
Anyways, we're off track right here. We want to teach you the 5 basic steps of washing your hands properly. 因为最近有读到一个正确洗手的5个步骤，我觉得还蛮妙的啦。听起来好像很复杂，可是事实上你做这些动作是很自然的。
洗枪枪诶，
洗枪枪，洗
干净。
哦，洗干净，洗枪枪 that means clean it very well. OK， 这5个步骤呢，5字诀呢，湿、搓、冲、捧、擦。
湿、喏、冲、蹦、出。
湿、喏、冲、蹦、出。Hey! Let's break those 5 steps down and explain what they mean. 第一个湿 that means wet. OK， 那当然要湿嘛，因为要碰到水嘛，对不对？
水要湿嘅。
啊 ，OK， 然后第二个字是搓
No
that means rub. OK， so
呛力了
exactly.
No 哎，搓一搓。
Yeah, you got your hand wet. Now you got to rub it. Then the third one is 冲 that means rinse. 就是要把它冲干净。Then the fourth one is 捧哦，这是泵哦。为什么要捧呢？就是要把水捧起来，然后呢，洗那个水龙头的那个开关，对不对？
泵水。
Okay, that means cupping your hand to hold water, and then you can rinse the faucet.
擦。
And then finally 擦。出。要出去了。
没有，该出去哦。出是出澡。
就擦的意思。
擦干。
That means wipe it clean, wipe it dry. There you go. That will keep your hands clean and tidy, and hopefully you'll be staying away from all the viruses out there. Well, that does it for today's Hakka lesson.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会独家赞助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.